Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Error Genie. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Subnautica not launching, crashing, Unity crash, black screen, freezing, or not loading on PC. First, restart your computer and then launch the game. Next, remove outdated mods or completely delete all mods if you're using any. Now close Citrix Workspace from the system tray or task manager. If the game is launching in VR mode, open Steam, go to Properties and type VR Mode None in Launch Options, or simply disconnect your VR headset. Next, verify game files. Go to Properties, Installed Files. Verify integrity of game files. Now run the game from the installation folder. Launch the .txt file, try running as administrator, enable compatibility mode Windows 8.7, and disable full screen optimization. Allow the game through antivirus and firewall by adding the .exe file to exceptions. Try launch options, DX11 or DX12. Backup and rename the save folder. Snap data, saved games, then relaunch the game. Perform a clean graphics driver install using NVIDIA or AMD drivers, then restart. Set the game to high-performance GPU, make sure your monitor is connected to the dedicated GPU, and disable integrated graphics if needed. You can also roll back drivers or try older versions. Launch the game using NVIDIA app, optimize or restore settings, and try debug mode. Clear DirectX cache using disk cleanup and delete NVIDIA cache from app data. Update Windows to the latest version. Disable overlays like Steam, Discord, and NVIDIA and close all overclocking apps. Clear Steam download cache. Install Visual C++, x86, and x64, then restart your PC. Switch power plan, toggle GPU scheduling, and disconnect external devices or extra monitors. You can also update BIOS and increase virtual memory. If nothing works, reinstall the game on a different drive. One of these methods should fix your issue. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.